eat, pray, love, grow, eat.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Friday, Friday the 21st, and I wasn't gonna vlog, honestly. I told you I'm trying to start vlogging more, but I wasn't about to vlog. But I am doing like content. Let me not do that. I'm doing content today, so I was like, I guess I can vlog. So I think it's close to 1 o'clock, and I just got in the mood to do content. I need content, so I'm doing like a little morning routine type of thing. So right now I got my phone charging because she was dying. I got 44%, which is good. Shout out to the fast charger. If you don't got a fast charger, you need to get it. This is my baby. I haven't used her in a long time. My facial steamer, I love it. I need to get back into the routine of using this. And so I made my bed up. I'm gonna show you the clip actually. Here's the clip. This is the clip of what I just did. I'm editing it kind of as I go along, but I just want to see how it'll look. But yeah, look at that. And it didn't take me long. Okay, so my next thing is to do my self-care morning routine, facial routine. I don't do this every day. I mean, I do wash my face every day and do that. But like, I don't steam my face every day, obviously. But that's not the point of the video, you know what I'm saying? And so this is what we're gonna be shooting. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna try to get a little mirror content in there too. Is yeah, I just be experimenting as I go along. So I'm gonna try to shoot this bathroom content, and I'll just show you the process as I go along with it. I gotta flip this. Or should I leave it to the front camera? The back camera is better. So turn this around. Your angles are everything, like I said, literally everything. Let's see. So another thing that I just learned is, I didn't know. So usually when I want to change, when I want to change the lighting, I just go like this and dim it down. You can do it high, you can do it low, whatever. But that's how people get that cute little dim lighting. Easier way though to keep it that way is to go here and put it between 1 and 2, and then it stays there. I just finished doing my little wash, and I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out with the little mirror scene. The pump was getting on my nerves, but yeah, look at that. Ooh, Vogue, get ready with Michelle Sade. Oh yes, baby. Now hopefully I can edit it the right way. Now I'm about to steam my face and do a mask, and that's it. And that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna do like I think I'm gonna journal. So I'm just letting this mask like sink in and mask. The mask is masking. That was whack. This is the book I've been reading. It's by Sarah Jakes. Fire. It's called Women Evolve, Break Up with Your Fears and Revolutionize Your Life. It's so good, y'all. I'm on chapter, I think tonight I read 5. I've been reading. I love it. This new book I started, when did I start? I started on Monday, actually. So yeah, I started on Monday, so I am on chapter 5. I started on Monday. I read my Bible every night. I read a chapter a night of my Bible, and then I also write down my prayers at night. I think I'm gonna do a whole separate video on like my spiritual my connection with God, that type of journey. So yeah, the little reel, I think I'm gonna do a reel and a TikTok. My reel is gonna be shorter than my TikTok is gonna be, or no, my TikTok is gonna be shorter. My reel is gonna be longer. But that's just gonna be like me making up my bed, me doing a self-care facial routine, and then journaling, like a start of the day. I'm gonna let this mask, and then I'll be back. And I'll show you some clips of my video and all that stuff. But I want to get that done because I have to go to work, like I've been saying, and I just want to get all this footage done so I don't gotta worry about it and do stuff later, all that stuff. Like, I don't feel like doing it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll show you guys some footage from there, and then I think that's all I'm gonna do for the vlog. I might just do that, like a morning routine, film content. I can't talk. I think it's the mask. Like a daily routine, film content with me, create a reel with me type of thing. Oh, that's what I'll do. Look how my brain be working. So this vlog right here is gonna be a film with me content day. So I'm showing you guys me filming, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I edit it. Good. Your girl is done with the bathroom scenes. I got like a half hour before I need to skedaddle. Do it from this angle. Ooh, that's gonna be hard. Because I can't do it from here because then it's gonna be backwards, right? How I'm gonna get my camera over here, you know what I'm saying? But I might just do it here so it's me doing it. I think I'm done. I hope I got enough footage. If I don't, then guess what, baby? It just won't get done at this point because yeah, I think I'm done. So I'm about to show y'all some of the footage later on or tomorrow. I'll show you guys me editing it. So this is what my camera roll is looking like. I tried to take some selfies. It was not working out. But it's not that much footage actually. The bed set up, and then I have a little candle scene in there where I light the candle. Fire. What did I want to show you guys? Oh, look how I did this too. I was gonna do it myself, but then I was like, nah, let's do this cute little thing. So it's like stirring. Yeah, see it? It's stirring. These mirror clips actually came out really good. I'm actually proud of how they came out. This is the how I did the overlay. So that's really nice. And so I did that first, and then afterwards I did like me in the like writing it. So when I edit it, I'm gonna go from this. No, I'm gonna go from this like that. So it's gonna be like that clip, right? And then it's gonna switch to one of these clips. Since I'm done shooting and filming the content, I would usually edit it right away, but I don't have time. I gotta eat, get dressed, do what I gotta do. Good morning. Good morning. Good Saturday the 22nd, and as you guys seen, I filmed all my content yesterday. So right now I'm about to edit. What I'm doing is deleting everything that was just a waste, basically. The key is to always film more. The more you have, the better it is to edit. It might be annoying, but you never know what clips work. I really change it up every time, but I'm gonna try to give you the basics and just so you see how I do it personally. So I'm gonna give you guys this angle, and I know a lot of people like share their screen, but I don't feel like sharing my screen and all that. So you guys are just gonna get it this way. So these are my clips that I filmed yesterday. And so usually I used to edit in Instagram directly, but recently I've been doing InShot. The reason why I've been doing InShot is because it has more, editing effects, time lapse. It's easier to add different effects that Instagram doesn't allow you to do if you're not filming directly in the Instagram app. Like if you film on your camera first and then you bring it to Instagram, you can't speed up the the video clips, you can't add certain effects to it. Well, from at least what I know. If you know differently, let me know so I can do it that way. I used to like editing in Instagram because you can match it with the music. In InShot, I already have one started. This is the bed, like making up the bed and the candle. So sometimes I just add music just to have that effect, so I can have something to kind of edit to. I'm gonna have to delete some of these clips out of here. Like this one, it jumps back. That one is this one. It's like the lighting changes or something. It goes from there. And like this, I'm going to crop and then skew so it looks more centered. See, you can't do all this stuff in Instagram. Take 15 minutes of footage and make it into 30 seconds or less. This. And you never want to get like the beginning of clips. Like you see how this is me turning on the camera and me like setting up. No, you want to get like in the mist. Yeah, so I would love to show you guys this entire process, but it's gonna honestly take me too long, like way too long. I'm just trimming, cutting out what I don't need, making the time go by faster, changing the speed, changing the angles with skewing it and things like that. Right now the video is at 13 minutes. So like I said, the goal is to get it down to 30 seconds or less. Yeah, I got it down to a minute and 3 seconds. Like, and it looks good. I still gotta get it down to 30 seconds. Like, I still gotta cut it in half. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm about to show y'all. Hold on. Okay, this is just like a rough, but and I'm gonna change the lighting and all that stuff, and it's gonna go faster or whatever the case may be. But just look at what I did so far. And the music is not the permanent music, but it goes good with this. But I'm not gonna use it. But just look, just watch. Let me turn it up. Let me turn the lighting down. It's too bright. Sorry. Like, y'all see that? That's just the start of it. As you see, some of the clips are still too long. Sometimes I leave the filter, but sometimes if I do it in different lightings and stuff like that, I usually do one filter so it all looks cohesive in a way. And what else? The music is changing. I still gotta do some like little stuff. Some of this stuff is extra clips. Cut it down to 36 seconds. 36 seconds. 36 seconds. I was supposed to get it to 50 and I got it lower. I do have a lot of footage, so I don't think I'm going to get it down to 30 and lower. I do want to do a video for TikTok and a video for Instagram. One is gonna be a full thing, and then one is gonna be shorter. I think for Instagram, I'm gonna do the full routine. I think for TikTok, I'm just gonna do the facial part. I think for my blog post, I'm going to do kind of like how to get yourself motivated for the day, maybe, or things I do to have a good day. How to have a good day, and then I could incorporate this video in it too. I think I'm gonna do that. So for TikTok, I'm gonna do a facial routine. For Instagram, it's gonna be my morning routine, and then for my blog post, it's gonna do things that make me happy in the morning, or how I have a great day. Things I do to have a great day. I don't know, something like that. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, on TikTok, and subscribed to my website. So my Instagram is at Nichelle Sade. My TikTok is at Nichelle.Sade. And my website is nichellesade.com. Make sure you guys are connected with me on all of those platforms, because you'll see the end results of my videos. You'll see all my content, and you'll see me daily on those things more than YouTube. Yeah, I gotta get my hair done. But guys, the perfect song, and yeah, it's lit. All right, that's all y'all getting. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. Like, every time I do a video, I be so proud of myself, because especially when I actually put in effort, because when I actually put in effort, it be coming out fire. My goal is to get better with quality and lighting, so I still need to learn that type of those type of things, but for now, we're gonna work with what we got. We're gonna get better as we go along. So, like I said, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, on TikTok, and make sure you're subscribed on my website, nichellesade.com. I'll have all that information down below, just in case you missed it or forget or don't know how to spell it. It'll be down below in the description, so make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you guys check out this video. It should be out by the time this video is out. I'm trying to upload vlogs every Wednesday. We'll see how that goes. Which I should be able to do it. But if you guys are watching this video right now and you haven't seen my reel that I created, if you haven't seen my TikTok, if you haven't seen the blog post that I'm going to create that I was talking about earlier, make sure you guys go check that out. Make sure you guys show some love, like, comment under it, share it, you know. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. If you are not subscribed already, hit that red subscribe button. Also, hit the notifications bell. Like always, I can't wait to see you in my next video, so we're gonna learn, love, and grow together. I don't know what these fingers are. Like, these not spirit fingers. These not spirit fingers. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys have a good night. I hope you have a good day, evening, morning, whatever the case may be, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Have a good time, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video.